Hey guys, on today's episode I'll be doing a little tutorial on how to do the brushed look or a brushed mod, just like how I did on my 007. A lot of people have asked me how I achieve this look, and it's pretty easy, cheap to do, and it is looks great if you don't like polished like I don't. So I'll be showing you on this case back right here. See, as you can see, it is polished. And what I'll be using is a Scotch-Brite pad. I'll put the part number in the description below. I know there's like different kinds. There's also like a lighter green version. I think this is a less finer grit than this version here. So I'll be using this version. So what you are trying to achieve is instead of, I see a lot of people go into circles, just go straight up and down, and then you'll achieve a great brushed look. All right. So you want to do put a little pressure on it. And as you can see, instant brushed. Really simple mod to do, guys. Very easy to do. Really easy, really cheap to do. And just wanted to give you guys a look on how to do this. Looks great now. I love brushed. Alright guys, just wanted to give you a little look on how to do the brushed look. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram, so you can follow me on my Instagram at TheTimekeeperIG. You can DM me. I also have an email address on there, so you can email me your questions and etc. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the video.